Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel ZinoVision. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install the Gameconfig file for your Grand Theft Auto game. You are going to need this whenever you want to download more plugins or you are experiencing game crashes. So stay tuned, this is going to be a step-by-step and quick tutorial on that. Before we get started, I just want to inform you this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you find any value in this video, which you will, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So let's get started. So yeah, like I explained, this game config file is needed for whenever you want to download more plugins like game, vehicle add-ons, etc., weapon add-ons. Eventually your game is going to crash and not work anymore. With this, it will fix it. Or you already have that problem where your game keeps on crashing, then this is the right video for you. So we're going to need multiple files for this to download. So the first step for you to do is to join my Discord server. The link will be in the description because there is where you can find all the links. Okay, when you join my Discord, this is how it looks like. We have like giveaway promotions like Nitro, we just gave away to. We have a support page whenever you have different issues, you can just make a ticket right here, a support ticket, and we will answer them. We've answered all of these and it's going very good. Besides that, we have also other categories we help in. And yeah, after you joined, you will go to the resources tab. That's right now here. It's 5M and Grand Theft Auto, but maybe when you log in, it will be also resources Grand Theft Auto and resources 5M. So we're going to split that up. So yeah, we're going to go, I just added the links. You're going to need a few things. You're going to need OpenIV. Currently the website is not working. I'm going to show you. So maybe when you're clicking on it, it will work. So for that reason, we're going to use the second link, and then we're going to need these 4 links right here. So let's click on them and redirect us to the web page. Okay. These are the links that we're going to need. As you can see, OpenIV is not working, so we're going to go to the second link. That's going to be OpenIV offline. Let's load up and hit download. That's just going to download. And then we're going to go to the second one, is the heap adjuster. Just hit download. Then the third one, the packet limit adjuster. Download. And the heap limit adjuster, download, and the last but not least, the Gameconfig file. So we're going to need all of them. So we've downloaded the files now. Let's go to our download folder. Okay, these are our download folders, as you can see on the left side, and make sure you also have your Grand Theft Auto main directory folder like I have on the right side. So we're going to start by OpenIV. We're going to right click on it and we're going to extract, and then you'll get the file. Double click on it. Double click on here. It's going to start installing. Let it load up. Then the second screen, you're going to hit accept terms of this agreement. The first screen took 10 seconds, maybe 15 seconds, because again, the site is offline. So this is a alternative. Going to hit continue here. Then you can choose the location. Hit continue after that. And then it's going to download and install it. Hoppa, that is installation complete. We can close that down. Then we're gonna open up OpenIV for the first time with administration rights. We're gonna go to the search bar and hit OpenIV. There we've typed in OpenIV. We're gonna right click on it and run as administrator. Click yes here. And then we're gonna go to Windows. And now you need to choose your Grand Theft Auto main directory folder like I have right here. I'm gonna browse. And it took it right away. So we're going to just select folder and hit continue, continue. Let it load up. Let me know in the comments what the reason is for you today downloading the Gameconfig file. Is that because your game is already crashing, or you want to download more plugins? Okay, here we have the administrator mode. We're going to click on what can I do, set permissions, and wait for it to load. Might also take a few seconds or more. All done. Hit OK. Now we can close up OpenIV and reopen it. This time we're just going to open it without administration rights because we just set those permissions. Okay, we're in OpenIV, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Tools, ASI Manager. You're going to click on And you're going to get into the screen right here. You're going to install all 3 of them. And at the second one, it will probably ask you to create a modes folder, but I already have it, so it's not going to ask me. If it does, just hit yes, create. And the last one, open camera, and that's it. We've now done all 3. We're going to now keep OpenIV right here. We're going to need it later on. Let's go to the second step. We're going to go to heap adjuster. Right click on it, hit extract all. And we're going to open up the file, and we have here 2 files within that folder. We're going to select them. We're going to drag and drop them in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. I'm going to replace them because I will already have them. Then we're going to go to the pack limit adjuster, right click, extract all, and we're going to open it. Here there will also be 2 files. We're going to select them and drag and drop them in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. Then after that, we're going to go back and we're going to go to the Grand Theft Auto heap adjuster, extract all, extract, and where is it? I think it's, oh, I must be blind. Right here, I'm going to select the file and drag and drop it in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. I'm going to go back and we're going to go to the last part, and that's the Gameconfig file itself. We're going to extract it with WinRAR, let it load up, and we're going to double click on it. Okay, so here you have a few options. We're going to go to the Grand Theft Auto V30 and we're going to open it up. After we're in that folder of the config folder, we're going to go for more mods. Going to click on it, and here you have some options. Okay, you have the traffic how it is in the pits when you drive and when you walk around. There's a certain amount of pits and traffic. If you want it to be more, like much more, you go to 5, but it's going to be really crowded. Understand? There's going to be traffic everywhere and a lot more people on the streets, everywhere on the street over the whole map. So yeah, for this tutorial, we're just gonna click on the stock traffic, but it doesn't matter if you do another one. So maybe it will be nice if you have 0.5 more traffic. That would be maybe nice. So I usually have that 1.5. So yeah, here's the Gameconfig file. That's this file right here. Now we're gonna need our OpenIV. We are going to go to update again, and we need to click on edit mode, click yes. Show in mods folder is right here, so go to show in mods folder. If you don't have show in mods folder, it's going to ask you, do you want to copy it to the mods folder? You click yes. Okay, and if it doesn't at all, just go along with what I'm doing right now. You can go to common data, and then we're going to drag and drop the Gameconfig file right here, because just before I do it, I want to show you the file's already here. We're just going to replace it, and that's it, folks. It was that easy. Now your game won't crash anymore. Now you can install more mods, more vehicles, more weapons, more pets. So it was pretty easy. That was under 9 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was all clear. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, stay in our Discord. If you have any questions, we'll always be happy to help. Thanks again, everyone, for watching, and goodbye.